Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a fingerprint on LENOVO Tab P12. If you want to unlock your tablet with fingerprint, first go to settings, then go to biometrics and password, fingerprint, then enter your password, and now tap on add. Now choose a finger you want to use for the fingerprint. You can also add more than one, but only one at a time. So I'm gonna first add my left pointing finger and touch it on the sensor which is located on the power button. So let's tap it. And as you can see, it starts scanning. You need to tap and release a few times and try moving the finger between scans. So it scans the whole area of the finger, then unroll the edges. Then tap on done, and you can add more by clicking on add, or just leave this one on. And now, when I tap on the power button, it unlocks the tablet. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.